Hello, everyone. Today is a great opportunity for me to say thank you to the great BiodivERsA team and to also tell you a bit about why BiodivERsA is so great. My name is Klaus Birkhofer. I'm a professor of ecology at the Brandenburg University of Technology in Cottbus, Germany. And I've had the pleasure to coordinate two BiodivERsA projects. Actually, one is still ongoing. And I just tell you a bit about my very good experiences. Now, the first project, Soil Clim, ended last year. And when I applied for it as a coordinator, together with a great team of colleagues, it was a very good first experience to apply to a EU level project call. Now, I received great support from the BiodivERsA team. Many questions were answered by email very fast. But that's really just the initial point. They also provide you with a lot of information going into detail on how to prepare your proposal and also then to use the data and results from your project to communicate and outreach. One example, for example, is the stakeholder engagement handbook that they provide. And this is giving you great information, especially if you may not be that experienced with outreach and stakeholder communication. Then during the project, they also organize workshops and meetings, the kickoff meeting, which is a great opportunity to network with colleagues from across the board. Also, I took part in an intermediate meeting in Brussels. And then, of course, there's the closing meeting, which really helps you to start to prepare further outreach documents. And that's where BiodivERsA was, again, very supportive, and the whole team did a great job. Right now, we are preparing together with two other soil-related projects from that call. We prepare a policy brief, so that will be hopefully published soon between the Soil Clim, Soilman, and Digging Deeper projects. So it's a real good framework to change something and to bring your research into practice. The second project that just started in April this year is a very special project because, as far as I know, we are the first BiodivERsA synthesis project, and only at the moment, if I'm not mistaken. We were answering to a call which had basically two actions. Action A was just your ordinary research project, which of course is amazing. But then Action B referred to pure synthesis projects. It means that you basically use existing data to gain new insights and knowledge. And there's basically no possibility to collect any new empirical data under this particular call focus. So that was quite interesting. And of course, then we also brought together a multidisciplinary team involving experts for human health, biodiversity experts, experts for plant and livestock health. And all this was greatly supported by the BiodivERsA team and just made possible by such a synthesis call. Of course, then Corona came into place. So the original project start would have been in 2020. We delayed it a bit for a synthesis project with a multidisciplinary team. It's really suboptimal that you can't see each other in presence. But we managed. We had our kickoff meeting virtually in April, and hopefully next year we can have our first meeting in presence in Leipzig at SDIF. Now, the support that the BiodivERsA team and also Sophie at ANR gives you is really amazing. They respond to your questions. They will support you in any activities. If you have any issues, you can always address them. And this is greatly appreciated. And I really want to acknowledge the help of Frederick, Claire, Javier, of course, and then Sophie at ANR that I received over the last few years. I hope that we see each other often in the future, because I will certainly not stop applying to your calls. So apologies again that I can't be here in presence, and thanks for the opportunity to brag a bit about the fantastic opportunity to work with the BiodivERsA team. Goodbye.